welcome back to Triple L Rustic Designs. In this video, we're testing out the Wolfe Ridge Pro 28 log splitter. Check it out. I would love to say welcome back to the sawmill, but we've got something different going on here today at Triple L Rustic Designs. So as you can see to my left, we've got a Wolfe Ridge 28 Pro log splitter. I know what you're thinking. It's Florida, Firewood. What are y'all doing? Dad here has been obsessed with watching YouTube and firewood splitting videos. I want to give a big thank you to Chris with Wolfe Ridge for working with us to get us this log splitter, as well as sending us these awesome t-shirts. So like I just mentioned, this is a Wolfe Ridge log splitter. This is the 28 Pro model that has the hydraulic wedge as well as the hydraulic log lift. We just took this thing out of the crate last night and we were really impressed with the way it came shipped from the manufacturer. They had it strapped down to a pallet and pretty much built a crate around the entire machine so that there'd be no damage during shipping. They also threw in a box of sweet merch that we can wear while running the machine. So we just got it yesterday and we've already practiced with a couple logs, but we're gonna take today to really learn the ins and outs of this machine. So Dad's been doing most of the research when it comes to these log splitters, and I'm gonna let him tell you a little bit of why he chose to go with Wolfe Ridge.
I've watched pretty much every firewood video there is on YouTube, I think. I basically narrowed it down to Wolfe Ridge and Easton Made, and they both seem like really good machines, but between Mike Morgan with Outdoors with the Morgans and Back 40 Firewood, I fell in love with the Wolfe Ridge 28 Pro. I mean, everything about those guys are fantastic. And Hometown Acres, I mean, I've learned a lot from him as well. So I really appreciate everybody making those videos out there. I mean, it's helped me decide what to go with on this. And I realize we're in Florida, and I probably won't sell anywhere near the firewood they do. But hey, with all the wood we keep getting in here for the mill, there's a lot of wood that goes to waste, and I didn't want that to happen. So one more guy I want to thank, and one of the ones I really enjoy watching, is Outside with Shibe. He also enjoys a nice cold Miller Lite while he's trying to get some work done around the farm. I appreciate him not bowing to public scrutiny on enjoying a nice Miller Lite while you're trying to get some work done. One of the main things too, when you get the 28 Pro from Wolfe Ridge, I mean, it comes ready to go. As soon as you get out of the crate, you can start splitting wood within 5 minutes. There's hydraulic oil in the tank. There's oil in the engine. You just got to stick some gas in there. You got 3 things. You turn it on. You flip these 2 switches. And you're ready to go.
right, so this is a prime example of a problem that we've run into with running the sawmill and creating boards out of the logs that we cut. These grubs get inside of our wood and they create these channels all throughout the wood. It's pretty cool if you're going to use it for epoxy, but if you're wanting just a solid piece of wood, these grubs really mess things up because they put holes all through it. One cool thing about these grubs though is the chickens love them. So this is our chicken coop, and we're gonna see who wants this big juicy grub. All right, so we got some practice working this wood splitter, and man, this thing is nice. We split quite a few logs, most of them being oak, and it splits these things like nothing.
Once again, Chris with Wolfe Ridge, thank you very much. You got a hell of a company going, great products, great customer service. Keep up the good work.
That's gonna do it for today's video. We're gonna practice a little bit more on this thing, and once we get it perfected, we're gonna make some more videos using this Wolfe Ridge log splitter. Zoe stopped by, I don't know if you saw that, but she seemed very interested in the wood splitter, so here in the future, maybe Zoe will do her own wood splitting video, since all y'all got wood. Alright, ready? Guys, if you like this video, make sure you smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.